Hey guys, I wanted to drop by just with a quick video because over history we've seen things like the SARS virus, tsunamis I've seen when I lived in Thailand, global financial crisis. We've learned how to, what to do when a crisis happens and how to manage risks when you're in the midst of a crisis. And no matter what the outcome is, even, if the worst case scenario or the best case scenario, stopping the wheels turning and reacting in fear is not a good move. Yes, I understand that, and I actually think that the most important thing is the safety of, first of all, your team and then your customers is really important. So that needs to be taken all care of to react to that emergency situation as soon as possible. Yes, people work from home. Yes, close your stores, but you need to be on the forward foot as well from a business perspective. Like if you're Apple and you're closing your stores, and I imagine they are doing this, is what other ways are you going to facilitate people to purchase? Like Uber Eats, online shopping, Coles have got problems with people fighting over toilet paper. Well, let's focus on promoting online sales or something like that. The same thing goes with your business. You have to be innovating and moving forward. First of all, for your team, they need to see that you're consistent. They need to see that you're forward thinking. Yes, response to the emergency and the immediate needs, but you've got to be moving forward and not exaggerate what the issue is. This will be contained, I believe, and I think we'll be back to normal by May. Stock market might be down a little bit, but the businesses that were consistent during this period and focused on brand and marketing as opposed to short-term sales will win. Because if the businesses that have stopped marketing because they go, oh, people aren't buying right now, what's the point of marketing? It's the very, very self-centered way of looking at it. Whereas the brands who are going, people aren't buying now, but we're still going to help them, we're still going to add value. What do you think is going to happen when the crisis is over? Those customers are going to trust you and you were consistent, and so they're going to do more likely to do business with you. So if you're focusing on sales and short term, you're going to stop marketing and you're going to miss that opportunity. It will take you longer to recover. Whereas if you focus on actually adding value in your marketing, you'll double down and communicate with your customers, tell them what's going on, make sure that you make an effort to help them in any way you can and add value. And so this is where the rubber hits the road, guys. Are you going to be a selfish marketer or an unselfish one? Because the ones that are unselfish will build positive brand sentiment and they will bounce out of this stronger than ever before. Whereas the ones that stop and slow down are going to find it harder to recover. That's just the reality of it. I've seen it happen again and again. I'm doubling down on communicating about this situation, but also about what you can do from a marketing perspective through social media during this period. And we're finding that we're getting more engagement right now because people are spending more time at home, more time on social media. And so that means to me that we're adding more value, we're helping more people, which we want to continue to do. And I encourage you to do the same. So I hope that was valuable. It might not be the obvious choice, whereas most people would think, oh no, it's insensitive, or you better stop everything working. But as a consumer or as a client who has a problem that you potentially solve, we still want help. And so if you stop the wheels turning because you're not getting sales out of it, that's incredibly selfish and unfortunate that you can't actually still care during these times. Okay, that's all my 2 cents. I encourage you to share your thoughts, whether you agree with me or not, in the comments below. Let's have at least have a discussion about it, because these are very important times, and how you react will dictate how much your business is impacted. All right, sending you all love. Hope you're all safe, and look, be respectful of others, be kind. Really important that you're kind during these times, and be grateful for what we have. And let's try and learn something from this experience. Have a great day.